The most important part of your appeal video is showing your channel URL and mentioning it on the first 30 seconds of your video. Yes, showing your channel URL and mentioning your channel URL on the first 30 seconds of your video is very important. Let me show you how to create an appeal video. You're going to click on customization on your YouTube studio, then you click on basic info. Yes, as you can see, click on basic info. You scroll down, you click on the page, down of the page, you read where it says channel URL, then you click your channel URL as you can see there. Okay, make sure you click your channel URL. It's on the bottom part of your channel. That's where you're going to see your channel ID number. Okay, you're going to click on copy now. You click on copy. Yes, you want to copy your channel URL because that's what you're going to be displaying on your first 30 seconds of your channel URL. So you're going to write it down because you're going to paste it on your video. Okay, so now let's go into the practical aspect so you see how I created the YouTube appeal video and you can create yours.
Okay, YouTube, this is my appeal video for my channel that was demonetized, and I'm doing this video with English language. This is my channel URL and this is my channel name, Gentle Dave. I'm going to show you guys how I made each and every content on my page, and every content on my page was being made by me. This Gentle Dave and line, best of Gentle Dave. This video, I'm going to show you how I created the video myself. This is the app I use in editing the video. And if you scroll down, this is the video concerning the landlord and tenants. This is the video. I edited it myself, and the sound, everything I input the sound myself. This is the video. And let's go to the next one. All this video on my page was being shot and edited by me. Best of Gentle, all this video was being shot and edited by me, and I will still show you on Wise Gentle. This is the video, and this is the video on my editing app. I use InShots to edit. These are all my videos. I don't know if any video is being copyrighted. That video is made by me, and I don't have any other page except the people I featured in the video. But if you search for any of my videos anywhere, it's only on my page, you'll see it. All the videos on my page are being made and edited by me. All the videos on my page are being made and edited by me. These are all the videos I've done so far that has been on my page. So I don't copyright any video. I make every video myself. Let's go down to others. This Smooth Talks, it's been made by me. It was shot and edited by me, and it was shot and edited by me. Best of Gentle Top 5. All this content on my page have been made by me. Actually, this video, all the videos here have been made by me. This is the editing. The sounds, I impute the sounds myself. These are my contents. They are being made by me. All the content on my page are originally made by me. This is it. The sounds, everything, I did them myself. I don't copyright anybody's video. Every video I post on my page, I'm the rightful owner to the videos. They have been edited and made by me. I don't copyright. I added my sound myself. I do research of sounds, and I have my own personal sound I use so you can't find it. You can't find out sounds on anybody's video. I'm the rightful owner of the sound. So this is my happy video to show that all the videos on my page are being made by me. This to show that all the videos on my page are being made by me, and I don't copyright any video. I just hope this gets to you guys very well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I wait to get to hear from you guys soon. Thank you.
Please don't forget to press the notification button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If this video has been very helpful to you, if this video has been impactful to you, don't forget to subscribe to Abi Hustle. Subscribe to the channel so it can hit others, so others can learn and come out from this reused content and submit their video to get their channel monetized. Until next we meet on Abi Hustle, stay safe.